Hello, Espresso Cyborg here. How does the day greet you? Today's topic is replacing the group gaskets on a Type B, Type C and Type D style group head. Those are commonly found on Fimer, Simonelli, CMA, Marzocco, Rancilio, Astoria and Rio machines. You can refer to my previous video for more information about how I categorized the group head styles. Without further ado, let's sip some espresso. First, make sure we have a replacement gasket and screen for our machine. Please check your screw, as sometimes the head is worn and also need replacement. While we can use the same screen if it is in good condition, there being no marks on the surface and the middle is not flat but has some curvature. And if held up to the light, you can see through all the holes. I find it best to replace, as the saying goes, when in doubt, throw it out. Here are the tools that will be necessary to finish the job. We will need a pick, a screwdriver to remove the screw, screen and diffuser, food-grade lube, and for the fun of it, a Prince flathead screwdriver. Why the small screwdriver, you ask? Just in case we made a boo-boo and have to remove the new gasket without damaging it. While it is not necessary to turn off the machine to replace the group gaskets, please remember that the machine and everything metal is hot and it can and will burn you if you let it. Moving on, locate the openings in the head where portafilter edges fit into the group head. This is the same process for Type B through Type D style group heads. As usual, you can place your observations in the comments, be it verbose umbrage or vitriol. While you are at it, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Let us continue. Push your pick or scratch awl into the gasket at a slight angle. With the pick inserted into the gasket, lift the back end of pick so that the front or pointy end always points away from you, and middle of the pick rests on the outer lip of group head for leverage. Never bend the pick towards you. Remember, safety first. The old gasket will sometimes come out in pieces depending on how long the last replacement was performed, so do not give up. The first time you replace the group gasket, do not be surprised if it takes you over 10 minutes to complete. With more practice, you will be able to replace the gasket within 2 minutes at the most. Run your pick around the gasket groove in the group head to make sure that all the pieces have been removed. Once the group is cleared of the old gasket, prepare the new gasket with a small layer of lube on the top and inner surface. Easiest way to tell which side goes up, the top is marked with letters or numbers. Balance the gasket on your open hand and push it into the head using your fingers. This is where it gets hot. Use your thumb to seat gasket into head. Remove the basket from the portafilter. Yes, I know some call it a holder. Let us just say it's the handle thingy. Insert it into the group head. When it is seated, remove and place the basket back in portafilter handle thingy and insert in group head to finalize the replacement. Our machine is now ready to use. Thank you for viewing this video within the universe created from coffee.